Prime the sprint begins by outlining a simple cold start. Set a concrete micro goal, collect the exact materials, and start with a 5-minute, distraction-free warm-up. In a real example, a software learner used a 15-minute pre-work ritual and landed a first coding interview win weeks faster than peers by syncing study blocks to ultradian rhythms. The strategy then shifts to lightweight, high-impact tasks that unlock confidence, like solving one representative problem and documenting the approach in a single page. Viewers hear how a pianist turned a daunting repertoire into quick wins by chunking sections and practicing the most challenging bars first. The result is steady momentum, real-world progress, and a repeatable blueprint that transforms hesitation into focused action.